guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's Python lesson, we are going to learn about operators and data types in Python, and we are going to do some hands-on also. I hope you all watched my previous videos. If not, I'll put the link in the description box. Please do check out those videos and come back to this video. Let's deep dive into our topic. There are various different data types in Python, that is numeric, dictionary, Boolean, set and sequence type. In this video, we are going to look some of the basic data types in Python, that is numeric, Boolean and few in sequence type. Yet we are going to look all of these data types in our further videos. Now let's do some hands-on to understand data types in Python. First, let us see about numeric data type. There are three different types in numeric data type, that is integer, float and complex number. Now let's take an example, a equal to 10. As we learned in the previous video, a is a variable, n is an operand and equal to sign is the operator. Here we have mentioned a equal to 10, but we don't know the type of this variable. To know data type of any variable, we can use the inbuilt function called type. So here I am going to print the type of variable a. Type of a. So it returns the type of a. Here 10 is an integer, so it returns it returns the data type as integer. But let's take another example, b equals to 10.45. Here I am trying to print the type of variable b. I am getting it as float. This is a decimal number. In programming, we call the decimal number as float. So I am getting the type of variable b as float. Next, let's try complex number. So I am trying to print the type of variable c. This is a complex number. In mathematics, we define complex number as x plus iy, right? Where x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. In the same way, we use in programming also, instead of using I, we use j here. This is the only difference between the mathematical complex number and the programmatic complex number. Next, let us see Boolean data type. Here there are only two inbuilt values, one is true and another one is false. Here I am trying to print the type of true value. I'll get it as bool. Okay. Next I am trying to print type of false. Here I'll get an error because false is not defined. Since these two values, this true and false, are case sensitive, we have to give it in a capital letter. That is, the first letter should be in caps. Type of false. Now I'll get the type as Boolean. These are the examples of string data type in sequence type. This is a variable and this is the value. Here I'm trying to print the variable string. I'll get the output as str, which is string. In Python, the string value should be given in double quotes or in single quotes. Either way, I'll get the same output. And the next topic is operators in Python. Operators are nothing but it's just symbols to carry out some operations. And these are the basic operators in Python, that is arithmetic, comparison and logical operator. There are few more operators in Python like bitwise operator, assignment operator, special operators like is and is not and so on. In this video, we are going to learn about these basic operators, and in further videos, we are going to cover all other operators in Python. Let's see example to understand operators better. Here I am considering two variables a and b, and I am assigning value of a as 10 and b as 6. In this statement, I am just adding up the two variables, two values, and I am getting the result. Here I am subtracting the two values. This operator, we call it as a division operator. It gives the quotient of two numbers, but it gives the result in decimal point. Here, this operator, we call it as a float division. It also gives the quotient value, but it gives the integer result. It does not give the decimal result. It gives the integer result. And the next arithmetic operator is modulo. That is, it gives the remainder of two values. Next is exponential operator, that is a raised to the power of b. Next, let us see the examples of logical operator. Here I am considering three variables. First, I am trying to print a greater than b. Is it a greater than b? No, a is lesser than b. So it prints false. Now we are checking if C less than B, yes, C is less than B, 5 is less than 10. So it gives the result as true. Next, we are checking if A equal to C. Yes, A equals to C. That is both the numbers are equal. So it gives the value as, returns the value as true. Next, we are checking if A greater than or equal to C. First, it checks whether it is greater. No, it's not greater. Next, it checks whether it is equal. Yes, it's equal. So it gives the result as true. This operator is called the not equal to operator. We are checking whether B is not equal to C. Yes, B is not equal to C. We are getting the result as true. And next is the logical operator. Here I am assigning Boolean inbuilt values to the variables. I am printing A and B. For AND operator, both should be true to get the output as true. If one is false, it gives the output as false. For OR operator, any one can be true to get the result as true. Here B we considered as false. Not of false is true. That is opposite of false is true. Opposite of true is false. That's it. And finally, I hope you understood today's lesson and you liked it too. If you liked the video, please do hit the like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to share with your friends. Also follow my Instagram page. I'll put the link in the description box. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.